Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The Nikon Z9, a revolutionary camera that redefined professional photography and videography upon its 2021 release, is rumored to be receiving a successor, the Nikon Z9 Mark II. While the official details remain shrouded in secrecy, a wave of speculation has emerged, hinting at exciting advancements in technology and performance. This in-depth analysis will delve into the circulating rumors and explore their potential implications. The foundation: stacked sensor technology. A cornerstone of the original Z9's success lies in its groundbreaking stacked sensor technology. This innovative design separates the photodiode layer from the processing circuitry, enabling significantly faster data readout speeds. This translates to blazing fast frame rates. The Z9 already boasts impressive burst shooting capabilities. The Mark II is expected to build upon this foundation, potentially reaching even higher frame rates and capturing fleeting moments with unprecedented precision. Enhanced low-light performance. By minimizing readout noise, stacked sensors excel in low-light conditions. This advantage is crucial for capturing stunning images and videos in challenging environments, such as dimly lit concerts or nocturnal wildlife photography. Improved video capabilities. Stacked sensors facilitate high-resolution video recording with minimal rolling shutter distortion, a critical factor for smooth and professional-looking footage. Autofocus. Taking AI to new heights. The Z9's autofocus system, powered by advanced AI algorithms, set a new benchmark for accuracy and responsiveness. Building upon this success, the Z9 Mark II is rumored to feature an even more sophisticated AI-driven system. Potential enhancements include enhanced subject tracking. The original Z9 already excels at tracking human subjects, including athletes and performers. The Mark II is expected to further refine subject tracking capabilities, particularly for challenging subjects like animals and birds in flight. This will be a significant boon for wildlife and sports photographers. Predictive autofocus. By analyzing subject movement patterns, the AI system could anticipate subject motion, allowing for proactive focus adjustments and ensuring sharp images even during rapid action. Improved eye and face detection. Building upon the already impressive facial recognition capabilities, the Mark II could feature enhanced eye and face detection algorithms, particularly for subjects wearing masks or helmets. The global shutter enigma. A game-changer for motion. One of the most intriguing rumors surrounding the Z9 Mark II revolves around the potential inclusion of a global shutter sensor. Unlike traditional rolling shutter sensors, where each row of pixels is exposed sequentially, a global shutter captures the entire image simultaneously. This eliminates the jello effect, the distortion caused by subject motion during the exposure, making it ideal for high-speed photography, capturing fast-moving subjects, such as race cars or flying birds, with minimal distortion. Video recording, producing smooth and artifact-free footage, especially when panning or zooming. Industrial applications, precisely capturing high-speed machinery and other dynamic processes. While the Z9 Mark II itself may not necessarily incorporate a global shutter, Nikon is reportedly developing a separate camera featuring this technology. This camera, potentially related to the previously rumored Nikon Z9H, would represent a significant leap forward in imaging technology. The rise of dedicated AI processors. Following the trends set by industry leaders like Sony and Canon, the new camera with a global shutter is likely to feature a dedicated AI processing chip. This specialized hardware would offload computationally intensive tasks, such as real-time object detection and image processing, from the main image processor. This would result in faster processing speeds, enabling real-time AI-powered features like subject tracking, scene recognition, and in-camera image stabilization. Improved energy efficiency, reducing power consumption and extending battery life. Enhanced image quality, enabling more advanced image processing algorithms, such as real-time noise reduction and in-camera HDR. Beyond the rumors, a look at the bigger picture. The video discussing these rumors highlights the importance of reliable sources and the challenges of verifying speculative information. It emphasizes the need for critical thinking and a healthy dose of skepticism when evaluating camera rumors. The video also acknowledges the role of patents in driving technological innovation. Nikon's patent application for a global shutter sensor indicates the company's active research and development efforts in this area. While patents do not guarantee the development or release of a specific product, they provide valuable insights into the company's technological roadmap. Conclusion. The Nikon Z9 Mark II promises to be an exciting evolution of a groundbreaking camera. With rumored advancements in autofocus technology, the potential for even faster frame rates, and the possibility of a global shutter sensor, the Mark II has the potential to redefine professional photography and videography once again. While official details remain elusive, the swirling rumors paint a picture of a camera that will push the boundaries of what's possible in image capture. As we eagerly await official announcements, it's crucial to stay informed and critically evaluate the information available.